Ceasefire over, bombs to be dropped this evening. What is going on, everyone? Jeremy Hritz here. Courage pays better than fear trading. Happy Wednesday. I hope you are having a phenomenal day out there. Guess what? I am back online and it feels good. I am so grateful and appreciative for the internet. I know that sounds a bit dramatic, but when everything you do business-wise, trading-wise, relies on an internet signal, a healthy internet signal at that, man, you'll realize what you have until it is gone. But we are back, so let's let the content run. Let's go. But let's get into it. Markets, man, I got so much content to put out there for you guys. The war apparently is back on because the ceasefire is over. Iran attacked a tanker. As a result, the United States followed up with attacks. Trump said that the ceasefire is done. They are going to bomb Iran more this evening on Wednesday, and the market doesn't like it. Down almost 80 points on the SPX at 1 point earlier today at the time that I'm recording this. Down about 29 points, came off the lows, tested that 50-day simple moving average once again. We've seen that area be tested quite a few times, and in healthy bullish trends, that area will see the price visit it, and it will bounce from there. Man, let's see. Will we get followed through here? Will we get a surprise announcement that, just playing, no bombs, which let's hope, right? Let's hope for peace. Or are we going, because we keep testing that 50 level, keep testing it, is it weakening, and are we going to shoot through it if we continue to do so? So that's the thing that we have to keep in mind. But we're making lower highs. We'll see how the candle ends for today. There's still over an hour of trading left in today's market, so don't want to draw any of our conclusions right now, but still things seem weak, and you're still having all the discussions out there about the AI bubble, things being overstretched, yada, yada, yada. Michael Burry is banging the drum harder than ever. And so, you know, the crash of 1929 is coming. It's coming eventually, right? Yeah, I don't know that. I'm just saying that tongue in cheek. If you take a look at the Qs, it was down about 0.13 points at the time that I'm recording this. Was green a few times. We'll see how that wants to finish before the day is up. We're seeing some of the chips start to come off of their lows. One chart that I want to point out is the Marvell chart, ticker symbol MRVL. It has filled that gap from June 1st off of the Jensen Huang proclamation saying that they are a trillion-dollar company. So let's see if buyers step in there and this thing could run back up. Saw a lot of call buying come in on Marvell. So that's definitely something I'm watching. The Qs, back to the Qs, they are below the 50, right? So keep an eye on that because there's nothing holding that up. If sentiment gets worse, if this war, whatever you want to call it, intensifies, escalates, there is a lot of room lower with nothing to prop it up. So just keep an eye on that. Be cognizant that we are below the 50. Bitcoin, after showing a little bit of strength there, running a little bit, is now down 1,300 points. It just can't hold on to any strength whatsoever. The VIX is up 0.72. That's down a little bit from the spike that we saw earlier today. And oil is up. One thing that I thought was interesting is Nvidia is up. It's back into the 200s. It was around $202.50, which is interesting. Keep an eye on that. It's chilled out after the run that it had there in late spring. So let's see if we get bids coming back into Nvidia. And remember, it was just retesting that consolidation, that sideways movement that it was making there for that extended period of time. So let's see if it based out and now it is ready to move higher. So we shall see. And other things to keep in mind here, we are going to have our inflation reports coming, CPI and PPI. That's going to be next week. We're going to get our next Fed presser on July 29th. That's going to be Kevin Warsh's second press conference. And hey, hopefully my power doesn't go out this time so I could actually live stream the presser. So looking forward to do that. But let's see if he's going to be hawkish. More than likely, that's his nature. That's what he's going to be. And so there are headwinds that are going to be out there over the next few weeks that we have to be cognizant of. We have to be aware of that could pressure this market further to the downside. So Just have to be aware of that. And as always, we got to monitor the headlines coming out of the Middle East with the relations between the United States and Iran and what's going to happen from there. Because like it looks like more bombs are going to be dropped this evening. And you almost wonder at this point if they could even get back to discussions. Because every time they say that they're going to, something falls through. There's no standing behind the word. There's no integrity from either party in terms of committing to what is said. So maybe this thing is just destined for really escalating to the point where there are boots on the ground. And maybe that's what's going to happen. Who knows? Let's see if cooler heads prevail here or if this thing is going to get uglier. So we will see. But that's all I got for you guys today. Hallelujah. We are back online. Very excited for that. And one thing that I wanted to point out, a few weeks back, I did the live Sultans of Swing Trading class. Had a blast with that. And I appreciate everybody who was there for that class. And that was going to be something part of my premium catalog. But you know what? I'm just putting it out there for free. So because I have been away, I was like, you know what? I got to get some stuff out there for the viewer. So I am going to publish over the next 4 days, one video at a time of the Sultans of Swing Trading class. That is a 4-session class. So be on the lookout for that. I'll probably have the first one up either tonight or tomorrow. So you can check that out. And hopefully you can find some value in there to aid you in your swing trading journey. New issue of the Courage Letter is out. If you haven't subscribed yet, that is $15 a month. You get two episodes, 2 issues every month. If you're interested in checking that out, the link is in the description below. And I will see you back here for more content. Let's go. I got so much to say, so many videos to record. I'm looking forward to putting that out there for all of you. And lastly, if you are interested in one-on-one coaching, learning how to trade and invest in the markets, click that link in the description. Let's connect and let's see how I can help you. And with that said, in the meantime, in between time, make it a great day. Honor the moment. And most importantly, be grateful. Take care, everyone.